This iPhone tip will give you some extra battery life. It's specific to a subset of iPhones, all of which were released since 2017. The reasons these iPhones are so special is that each of them uses an OLED screen. What this means is each individual pixel on the screen is individually lit. So if you have the iPhone X, iPhone XS and XS Max, iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, or any of the newly released iPhone 12 models, you'll be able to take advantage of improved battery life by simply making these 3 changes. Head over to your iPhone settings menu and scroll down to display and brightness. Make sure dark mode is turned on and automatic option is turned off. Next, go back and enter into wallpaper and make sure you select a wallpaper that's dark in appearance. The darker the better, for both the lock screen and the background. So what you've done here is reduce the number of pixels on the screen that are being individually lit by the iPhone, and therefore reducing how much power is being used by the screen. In turn, this should increase your phone's battery life, so let me know in the comments if you see any difference.